Robert Roberto Monkey Man. A lot of people don't know that Robert has the nickname Monkey Man. He got that nickname early in his teens for his ability to climb things, although he's more of an aged silverback gorilla now. That's okay. Bob Hope said that middle age is when you actually can tell that you're aging around the middle, so good job you got that going on now there, big guy. Growing up, I've heard the statistic that 1 out of 4 kids in the world were Chinese, so I was always convinced that Robert was the Chinese one. A lot of people don't know that the key that Ben Franklin used on his kite was actually to Robert's apartment. I mean, he's so old now, he remembers when rainbows were black and white. I love my brother. He only has 3 traits that ever bothered me growing up. One was his slurp of cereal on his spoon in the morning. 2 was his addition of the words "in the morning" anytime he said anything before 10 a.m. in the morning. 3 was his ability to snatch girls that were more into lean guys, although that one doesn't bother me as much anymore since getting lucky to him is being able to find his car in the parking lot. And an all-nighter is a night that he can go all night without having to get up to go pee. The good news is that Robert's so old now that he doesn't feel anything before noon, and that's usually time for his nap. So he's getting up there. I found some of his porn the other day. It was actually Debbie Does Dialysis. That's right. Listen, I'm done razzing you. Happy birthday, man. I love you, bro.